In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go to next line in ChatGPT 2026 full guide. If you've ever tried to write a multi-paragraph prompt and watched it send the moment you press enter, this guide will fix that for good. Adding line breaks lets you format your thoughts clearly, separate ideas, and create space for headings or examples without accidentally submitting half-finished text. On a web browser or desktop app, enter is the send key by default. To move to the next line without sending, hold the shift key and then press enter. On a Mac keyboard, that's shift plus return. You'll see the cursor drop to a new line inside the same message box, which means you can keep composing before you send. You can repeat shift plus enter as many times as you like to add blank lines, create double spacing, or carve out clear sections in a single prompt. This is especially helpful when you're drafting longer messages, pasting snippets, or building structured instructions. On mobile, the behavior is a little different and a bit more forgiving. In the official app on iOS or Android, tapping the return key on your on-screen keyboard creates a new line right away. The message won't send until you tap the send icon next to the text box. That makes it easy to shape paragraphs on the go without worrying about premature sends. If you're using ChatGPT in a mobile web browser instead of the app, the interface may follow the desktop rule, so use Shift plus Enter if an external or on-screen modifier key is available. A quick test with a short draft will tell you which behavior you're getting. If you want the AI to clearly see structure, you can add simple visual markers at the start of a new line. Use an asterisk or a hyphen for informal bullet points. For ordered steps, start lines with numbers like 1 and 2 to create a numbered list. To separate major sections in a longer prompt, type 3 dashes in a row, like this. These symbols don't send the message. They just help you and the model track the flow. If you do send too early, don't worry. Click the edit pencil on your sent message to reopen it, add the missing lines, and save the changes. And if you're using a Bluetooth or other external keyboard with a tablet or phone, expect it to adopt the desktop behavior, meaning Shift plus Enter will insert a new line. That's it. Mastering line breaks is a small habit that makes a big difference in readability and results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.